Yeah, my name is Rodney P, the rhythm killer. Going with some big things. I don't know, original London posse MC, UK hip hop soldier, and an all-round hustler. Keep the thing moving, you feel me? Yeah.
Do you see hip hop as a form of self-empowerment?
For me, hip hop is definitely a form of self-empowerment. For me personally, on a personal level, it started as a way of me just dealing with these feelings and emotions that I had, so it was like my therapy. But in terms of, you know, being able to earn a living and pay my mortgage and raise my kids, hip hop is the way that I've been able to do that. And I don't just mean as a rapper, I mean in terms of my mentality and mindset that has led me into this hustle and kept me maintaining this hustle. So it's about making this music. Yeah, that's my base. That's what people know me for. I make this hip hop music. But actually, the mindset that I get from hip hop is a hustling mindset. So it's about how you can look at a situation and maximize it for your personal interest. So yeah, man, hip hop is definitely a form of self-empowerment, and I feel empowered, no doubt.
Do you think there's a link between hip hop and sophistication with the status quo?
I do think so, yeah, and I say that because I think, you know, hip hop at its best teaches young people like ways of thinking, and I know that for me personally, like it's like this. A lot of artists will say they don't want to take responsibility and be role models because what they're saying is just rap and entertainment. But the reality is, in the 90s, when a group like Public Enemy came out and was talking so positively and constructively and socially, it affected how I thought. It sent me to the library. I read the autobiography of Malcolm X. I wanted to learn more. So I know that it can set you up on a positive road or a negative road. And in terms of how people feel about, you know, the current situation, the current social situation, I do feel like hip hop has a part in educating people as to, you know, what some of the social ills are. So yeah, I think hip hop plays its part in, I think music in general, not just hip hop, I think music in general has always been an important way of people expressing how they feel within any given time.
What advice do you give to the people that are starting out?
The best advice I can give to a young person starting out is try to be honest. Try to be true to yourself and find an audience that connects with you on a real level. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate the invitation. Big up the Cardiff crew. Rodney P, the rhythm killer inside. If you don't know, go on and tell your friends. We represent the movement, hip hop style for the hip hop kids. You hear me? Of the people for the people. See?